Construction project management today still faces outdated hurdles, paper documentation, endless site visits, error-prone communication, and software complexity that demands technical expertise. Meet Stages by SIMLAB, a unified visual platform for construction management and collaboration. Stages simplifies project coordination, issue tracking, and documentation. Combining Matterport scans with BEAM and KD data creates a timeline of your building's progress. Align your digital models effortlessly with Stages' intuitive synchronization and transformation tool. Visually compare all building representations, side by side, or track project progress with a visual building timeline. Tailored for AEC professionals, Stages enables you to analyze embedded BIM data and seamlessly compare it with highly accurate as-built point clouds. Leverage 3D mesh with OrthoViewer to get architectural-grade insights. Collaborate across teams using Stages' communication toolkit. Add annotations, voice notes, and sketches directly onto 3D models or screenshots. Take precise length and area measurements, perform calculations, and document insights, all within an interactive 3D environment that enhances clarity and speeds up decision-making. Every file, model, and note is saved in a centralized documentation repository. Never lose track of data, perfect for audits and compliance. Take control of your projects with Stages' intuitive project dashboard. Effortlessly manage timelines, tasks, and documentation while sharing real-time updates through customizable, professional reports that keep all stakeholders aligned. Use multi-level permissions to ensure the right people see the right data. Create public links for share and access to full project history log. Stages integrates seamlessly with Procore. By linking Procore's powerful project management tools, teams can navigate site conditions, access Procore data within a digital twin, and streamline issue tracking and decision-making. Stages, the future of construction project management.